Samsung Galaxy A55 2020 for review. Affordable 5G powerhouse. The Samsung Galaxy A55 2020 enters the market as a promising mid-range 5G smartphone, aiming to deliver impressive performance and features at an affordable price point. Let's dive into what this device has to offer. Design. The Galaxy A55 sports a sleek and modern design with a glossy finish and slim profile, making it comfortable to hold and visually appealing. The rear panel features a quad-camera setup housed within a rectangular module, adding a touch of sophistication to the overall look. Despite its mid-range positioning, the device feels premium in hand, thanks to Samsung's attention to detail in design. Display. At the front, the Galaxy A55 boasts a vibrant 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. The screen offers rich colors, deep blacks, and excellent viewing angles, providing an immersive visual experience for multimedia consumption, gaming, and everyday tasks. With a high refresh rate, navigating through the interface feels smooth and responsive, enhancing user interaction. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy A55 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 series chipset coupled with 5G connectivity, ensuring fast and reliable performance for both productivity and entertainment purposes. Multitasking is a breeze with ample RAM, allowing users to switch between apps seamlessly. Whether you're streaming HD content, playing graphics-intensive games, or running demanding applications, the device handles everything with ease. Camera. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the versatile quad-camera system on the Galaxy A55. The setup comprises a high-resolution primary sensor, an ultra-wide lens for capturing expansive landscapes, a macro lens for detailed close-up shots, and a depth sensor for portrait mode photography. The cameras deliver impressive results in various lighting conditions, producing well-detailed and vibrant images with good dynamic range. Additionally, the device offers a range of camera features and shooting modes to unleash your creativity. Battery life. Equipped with a sizable battery, the Galaxy A55 ensures all-day usage on a single charge, even with heavy usage scenarios. The device also supports fast charging technology, allowing you to quickly top up the battery when needed, keeping you connected and productive throughout the day without worrying about running out of power. Software. Running on Samsung's One UI software based on the latest Android version, the Galaxy A55 offers a user-friendly interface with a host of customization options and features tailored to enhance the overall user experience. The software experience is smooth and intuitive, with regular updates promised to keep the device optimized and secure. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A55 2020 impresses with its blend of affordability, performance, and 5G connectivity. It caters to consumers looking for a reliable mid-range smartphone that doesn't compromise on essential features. With its sleek design, vibrant display, capable cameras, long-lasting battery life, and smooth performance, the Galaxy A55 stands out as a compelling option in its price segment, offering excellent value for money. If you're in the market for a 5G-enabled smartphone without breaking the bank, the Galaxy A55 is certainly worth considering. Thanks for watching this.